And the singles director from Glasgow used to live up
In
there.
the house?
It's Gary Hall, and his mom just recently passed away a few years ago.
Oh, I hate that.
Yeah. Yeah.
Glad to see gas is a little cheaper.
Yeah. Cheaper down here than it is up there.
How much is it up there?
$3.40 to $3.70.
Ooh-wee.
Yeah. The cheapest we saw coming down was $3.09.
That's not too bad.
It's between E-Town and Cave City, or yeah, somewhere in that vicinity.
That's where Shogun is.
Okay.
Oh, you see the murals and stuff like that on there?
Mm-hmm.
It's pretty.
Yeah.
There's another mural back here. I thought I'd take it around the square.
Yeah.
Yancey's here is where Jeff Job opened this that up there.
Yeah. Okay.
I'll turn you around. I'll take you down by the church down here where you got married.
Yeah.
Little Taste of Texas is still open.
Mm-hmm.
And then here's your church up here.
Yeah.
I don't know if I can go down and come back up so you can see it. Yeah, they need to fix these roads.
Yeah.
I don't know who's pastor there now anymore. I don't know, and I don't know.
It was Pastor Erdie. E-R-D-I-E. He's been there for a few years. South Green Street.
Yeah, it's so pretty down here.
Mm-hmm.
All the houses are so nice.
Yeah. Just a little below the visor.
I know, I'm so short. It's hard
Yeah.
to...
I usually have to kind
Sit
of
up.
wiggle around. Yeah. Hopefully the next time we're here, if we can do the Campbellsville drive. I think I can basically remember the back route.
Oh yeah, I can get you there. I mean, we're here in Glasgow, so probably just drive the Parkway to Columbia, and then just hop off and just go straight.
Yeah. I mean, when I went, we did.
Did you go 88?
Yeah, 31 to 88,
yeah.
And then.
I prefer to go that way because that's the way I've always drove.
Yeah.
At least they'll be turning here in a second. I need to get these wheels aligned. They're driving me crazy.
See, my sister stay over here at Days Inn because they
okay.
have a. They don't charge extra for pets.
Yeah, I get it.
Yeah.
Y'all at Holiday?
Yeah. Yeah. You're a long way from home.
Huh?
That car ahead.
Oh, yeah, that's a drive.
Yeah.
I've never been there. I mean, I've flown to California, but I'm trying to think where's the longest. It's hard to determine. I've drove to Chicago, drove to New York, I've drove to the tip of Florida, all the way to Florida Keys.
Wow.
Flew to Texas, though. I never drove to Texas. I've been to Texas like 5 times. I know y'all are from Texas, aren't you?
Yeah. In a roundabout way, yeah. Illinois, Missouri, Texas, Arizona, Kentucky, not Ohio.
I've always lived in Kentucky. There's Dunkin' Donuts. Somebody's got their Christmas trees.
Yeah. Yeah, we just have the fake ones, which doesn't tend to be bad. Sometimes I like to do a real live one.
It'd be a disaster to have one in the house.
Yeah.
Absolute disaster.
Mm.
I hate to know what kind of mess my cats would make. They'd probably break all the ornaments.
Mm-hmm.
Do you remember when Letitia had that mean cat?
Yeah.
I remember she wanted me to watch it.
Uh-huh.
And I strung popcorn and put it on my Christmas tree in my apartment.
Uh-huh.
That cat started eating it. I had to pull Fred out of her.
Yeah. I was wondering about that cat.
Oh, my cat was crazy. She climbed up everybody's legs, scratched half the people that came over the house.
Yeah.
That cat was wild.
Mm-hmm.
It's new urgent care there.
Yeah.
That's something new. I think they're remodeling a Taco Bell over here.
Okay.
They just opened a Marshall's and a Five and Below downtown. Down here.
Yeah. Yeah, we got a Five Below there in town.
You know what? I went to Five and Below last year, and they had T-shirts for like $5. So I got all my nieces and nephews like a couple different shirts and stuff. They loved them because they're all like the fun graphic tees. Mine's a Star Trek and Star Wars shirt. There's a sub place that opened up down there too, but I can't remember. Is it Jersey Mike's?
Yeah.
I mean, I haven't eaten there. I don't know if it's any good. I'm not too big on Subway, so I don't know how I'd feel about it. Freddy's isn't that bad, but I prefer Steak and Shake.
Yeah, we got Steak and Shake, we got Arby's, McDonald's, Taco Bell.
I'd love some Steak and Shake.
Yeah.
I like their fresco melts.
I have a couple of DQs. But they don't stay open all year.
Well, this one's it's gotten nicer since I think a different family owns it now, and it's not so trashy.
Yeah.
It's easily just turn up there to go home.
Yeah.
I ain't really. Oh, they're putting a new pet store in town too.
Okay.
Over down where Walmart is, there's a new Pet Sense going in over there.
Okay.
This is fun. You can go bowling, you can go skating, you can play laser tag. There's all kinds of arcades in there.
Yeah.
It's pretty nice. And they have a little place where you can go listen to music.
Yeah. I'll have to do that sometime.
Yeah, one day maybe y'all could stay for like a week or something.
Yeah. Probably when we can get my mom up there, but I don't know.
Yeah, get you up there, and well, down here, and I could spend the whole day with you.
Yeah.
And go driving around.
Yep.
I'm not sure a lot of people live close by anymore that we went to Campbellsville with. Andrea's in Louisville.
Okay.
Letitia's in Indiana. I don't know if Timmy and Bethany still live in Cincinnati or what. I can't remember. But, I mean, that'd probably be one of the closest places to say if people wanted to meet in Ohio. That'd probably be the better option. But one day, when we have a stable vehicle to drive, then it won't be no big deal us going out of state.
Right.
We're just trying to get our roof fixed for, mold gets in the house, and then after the roof, we're going to get a new car. But, it takes time.
Right.